One of the things that sticks out to me the best is the quality of the details. Start to finish and top to bottom, you know that they spent a lot of time designing and engineering the products to the smallest detail to make sure that every detail counted. There's no better satisfaction and enjoyment than seeing something kind of like a blank canvas and then seeing it become a work of art. Hi, my name is Chris Dietz. I'm with Viewrail. Born and raised in the Washington, D.C. area. I started installing Viewrail systems for my clients because I was looking for the best product and there was no comparison to the quality. Probably the primary reason that I've enjoyed working with Viewrail are the people behind the product. They're always willing to work with us on making sure things are done right, whatever the cost might be, whether it's a time cost or an actual financial cost. You know you can trust them throughout the process. They're not just there to sell and walk away, but they're going to work with you from start to finish, making sure that our customers get the best product and the best service. We know that when we're working with Viewrail, the ability to have a one-stop shop and a whole solution in one box, in essence, makes it a lot easier for all parties involved. And so it simplifies our lives with regards to offering a product to our customers that I can confidently stand behind saying it's all going to be run by one company and it's all going to come and arrive and it's clearly organized, and it really makes the customer feel comfortable, as well as we're confident that when we're working with the engineers in the design process that they're not just designing the steel, but they're designing the steel, the wood treads, wood handrails or metal handrails, aluminum handrails, along with a custom low iron glass. And so it makes my job a lot easier. You're eliminating the repetitive people that are coming into your house. The wood people for the treads or the handrails aren't focused on waiting on the steel or the glass. It's an easier process, both from the builder's point of view as well as from us, the installers or the contractors who are installing the Viewrail product. The ease of being able to sell their product and then apply it to a single-family home or condo for maybe like a simple 5-foot run to a multi-million dollar, $20 million plus type of home. Viewrail has a quality product in any kind of price range. And as a contractor and builder, knowing that no matter what client or environment that I'm going to be in, project-wise, that they have a product that will suit my client's needs. And just being able to know that within that product, which is amazing, the engineering team, the sales team, the customer service support is going to back me up, support me and the customer for the entirety of the project.